Ishu, where is India?
India.
Very nice. Amy, where is Germany? Very good. Where is Sri Lanka? Very good. Switzerland? Switzerland? Where is Australia? Very nice.
Dear parents, this video will go overboard without an explanation. Child in the video is barely 2.5 years and able to identify flags of different countries. An amazing display of super concentration, grasping ability and memory. Probably your first reaction is, how is this possible? This is yet another testimony of unleashing your child's true potential at an early age. Well, we also have a good news for you. Every child can do it. This is called eidetic memory or photographic memory. According to memory expert Jim Kwik, world's #1 brain performance coach, there is no such thing as good or bad memory, but rather trained or untrained memory. Photographic memory is the ability to look at a photo once and recall its every detail by and large. Few famous personalities with this superpower were Swami Vivekananda, Charles Darwin, Nikola Tesla, Teddy Roosevelt and many more. It's very common with toddlers these days operating mobile phones, identifying Cartoon Network or Pogo channel and TV without even being introduced to concept of reading. Kids are born with an amazing photographic memory and what's required is little stimulation from parents at an early age. The material and the methodology we provide through our 2020 parenting program will help you achieve this milestone. Parents need to spend just 20 minutes a day. Fix a slot with us for a free online counseling session at your convenience. This session could turn out to be a true blessing for your child. Thanks for watching and continue enjoying the video.
Where is Italy? Good. Japan? Where is Pakistan? Super. Where is Canada? Very good. Where is Singapore? Where is Malaysia? Malaysia? Very good. Ishu, France? Very nice. Thailand? Thailand?
Thank you all for being with us till the end of this video. In addition to stimulation material and unique methodology, we also provide 3 years of knowledge support through our counseling sessions, workshops, online meetups and ANA sessions. These sessions are conducted by highly qualified professionals in the field of early child development with years of experience behind. We have covered more than 50 topics on parenting till now, and to quote a few, emotional intelligence, socializing skills, creativity, sibling rivalry, food and nutrition, vaccination, fine motor skills, gross motor skills, communication skills, storytelling, self-portrait, gadget addiction, toilet training, and many more. So dear parents, why wait? Claim your slot for a 45-minute free counseling session, online or offline, and decide how you want to proceed further. Call us, WhatsApp us, message us, email us, or do whatever required. Fix your slot with us for your free session. All the very best and happy parenting.